As you can see how much plant I have inside our house. I will give us tour of all my plants here inside. So this plant is kale. This is kale. This one is chili or paprika, I think. This one is celery. This one is watermelon. It's from Philippines. This one is some kind of spring onion. Oh, this one should not be there. This is basilica. This is oregano. They have two small leaves. This one is persilia. And this one is eggplant from Philippines. Those are eggplants. There. I plant asparagus. This is a asparagus plant, but I think I sow 20 pieces of seeds, but I'm not lucky. It's only one who grow. So that was too bad. So this one is artichoke. That one in the picture. Some celery, big plant celery now. It's very good. It's so much plants inside here. I have plant sowing. My goodness, this is not only the place I can show you, but there are, oh my god, the tomato is destroyed. What had happened? Tomatoes. This one I don't know. I don't know this. What? There is no name. Tomatoes. This is a flower called pansy. And some celery, small plants. Here is thymian. Some more celery there in the window, over the window. Then we will go here. Another. So many plants more. These are broccoli plants. They are broccoli. So I want to plant so much broccoli this year because broccoli is very expensive, you know, when you buy in the supermarket. So this year I will focus on planting so much broccoli because I ate so much broccoli. It's very good vegetables. Here is more. This one is bitter melon, also from Philippines. More cauliflower, small plants. Soon I will replanting them into bigger pot. And then here is more kale. This is kale. Looks very good, very nice. So all these plants here they are waiting for the warm temperature outside. Hello there. Say hello to everyone.
Hi, everyone.
What say you do?
Hi, everyone.
Hi, hi. Here are more kale here. I like so much kale to plant also kale because they are also very nutritious and very good for the body. More kale. More kale. More celery here. Tomatoes there, so much tomatoes, and there is beans. This is string beans from Philippines also. Ayan o, umpisa na siyang mag kulampayot dyan, kakapit dyan sa yung string beans ko. They really need to go out in the garden. My goodness. But I need to wait 1 month more. Oh my God. So I can put them outside. I don't know what's gonna happen. These tomatoes. Because tomatoes needs to be in the free land. They are so big now. They are so big. They are big enough to. Boy, what happened to them? Why they are like they don't have energy? Maybe they have get so much fertilizer because I gave them that juice from the Bokashi compost, that liquid juice.
You're choking my son.
Oh, now here is yeah, and there are more upstairs in Shina's room. My gulay, my goodness, so much planter. There is some kangkong that is from Philippines. Now they are going so good. Tomatoes. And this is, what is this? Krydda. This is, what is krydda in English? Oy? Yung mga ano ba? Condiments. Panakot. Ano ba to? Nakalimutan ko na to. Anong tawag nito? I think this is I think this is, what is this? Timian? Or is this timian? Yeah, this is timian. Oh, there is more celery there. So if you guys want to have planter, if you want to buy some of this, if you are living near in my place, you are welcome here and get some plants from me so I can get rid of some of them. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bye bye. So that's all my plans, guys. Meron pa dun sa taas, but hindi ko na pakita pa sa inyo kasi ano lang naman, pareho lang din na mga plants ang nandoon. So thank you for watching this video, and please do the thumbs up if you like, and please subscribe if you are not subscribed yet to my channel. Bye everyone.